Xinjiang, a vast expanse in western China. It's a region of snow-capped peaks and arid deserts. Lush oases dot the landscape. Ancient Silk Road routes crisscross this land. This is a place where history whispers in the desert winds. Xinjiang is a cultural tapestry too, home to many ethnic groups. Uyghurs, Han Chinese, Kazakhs, Hui, and more. Each group contributes to the region's unique identity. Languages, traditions, and cuisines blend together. But life in Xinjiang hasn't always been easy. The region has faced challenges. Poverty cast a long shadow. The environment presented its own set of hurdles. Arid conditions and desertification threatened livelihoods. Isolation hindered progress. Xinjiang, however, is a land of resilience. Its people are known for their strength and determination. And in recent decades, a remarkable transformation has unfolded. A story of hope, progress, and the power of human endeavor. For years, poverty was a stark reality for many in Xinjiang. The weight of it burdened families and communities. The reasons were complex and interconnected. The harsh environment played a role. Arid lands made agriculture a challenge. Limited access to education and modern infrastructure hampered opportunities. Traditional ways of life struggled to keep pace with the changing times. The lack of economic opportunities was a major factor. Many relied on subsistence farming. Incomes were low and livelihoods precarious. The cycle of poverty felt unbreakable for some. The Chinese government recognized the urgency of the situation. It acknowledged the need for targeted intervention. A commitment was made to uplift Xinjiang and improve the lives of its people. This marked the beginning of a new chapter. Addressing poverty in Xinjiang required a multifaceted approach. Innovative solutions were needed to tackle the root causes. One of the key focuses was agriculture. Xinjiang had vast tracts of land, but much of it was arid. Innovative techniques were introduced to make the most of the available resources. Drip irrigation systems maximized water efficiency, turning barren lands into fertile fields. Afforestation projects became a priority. Millions of trees were planted, combating desertification and improving the environment. The transformation was visible, with once barren lands now bursting with life.
I remember when they first introduced the drip irrigation systems. It was like a miracle. Suddenly, our fields were green, and we had hope again.
Section 4. Uplifting lives. A multi-pronged approach. The transformation of Xinjiang went beyond agriculture. It was about empowering people and creating a brighter future. This meant investing in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social support systems.
Education was recognized as a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of poverty. New schools were built, even in remote villages. Access to quality education expanded dramatically, particularly for girls and children from minority groups. Vocational training programs equipped people with skills for the modern workforce. From textile production to e-commerce, new opportunities arose as Xinjiang became more connected to the rest of China.
Healthcare infrastructure received significant investment. New hospitals and clinics were established, making quality healthcare more accessible. This was crucial in improving overall well-being and reducing poverty caused by health issues. Section 5. Voices from Xinjiang, Tales of Transformation. The impact of these initiatives is best reflected in the lives of the people of Xinjiang. Stories of hope and resilience emerge from all corners of the region.
A young Uyghur woman, once struggling to make ends meet, now runs a successful textile business. The skills she learned through a government-sponsored program empowered her to become financially independent and support her family.
In a remote village, a shepherd who once saw his flock dwindle due to harsh conditions now thrives. Thanks to new grazing techniques and veterinary care, his livestock is healthy and his income has increased significantly.
These are just two of countless stories that illustrate the transformative power of targeted poverty alleviation efforts. The people of Xinjiang, with their newfound opportunities, are writing a new chapter in their history. Section 6. A global model learning from Xinjiang. Xinjiang's story holds valuable lessons for the world. It demonstrates that even in the face of challenges, progress is possible. A holistic approach to poverty alleviation is crucial. Poverty is not an insurmountable fate.
Infrastructure, education, and vocational training are essential. Xinjiang's story serves as a beacon of hope and a model for other countries.
This remarkable transformation is testament to what can be achieved with determination, innovation, and a commitment to improving lives. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from these efforts and work together to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.